Alright, today we got our ZLINE Professional 30-inch range, and I got it hooked up today. I had to run, I don't know, I think it was about 6 feet of gas pipe, the black pipe under my basement, because it was the line that I bought. The flex line didn't reach, so I had to run a black line about 6 feet, and I had to go around different obstacles like the HVAC system and stuff to get to it. Drilled a hole and ran the line, hooked it up, because I only had electric stove before. We didn't have gas. Luckily the gas line was somewhere over there by the fridge. Alright, so my fridge is right up under here, under this part of the basement, but my stove is way over here. So when I ran my line, it was only going to reach to about where this vent is. And so you can see I ran my pipe. This is 1/2-inch pipe, and I already had the gas pipe that ran here, and it had a cap on it, end cap. So I took the end cap off, screwed on a little male-to-male fitting here, and then I put a little, I guess this is 90 degree bend, and then I used that sealant stuff too on all my threads. Then I ran, I think this is a 3-foot 36-inch piece of pipe right here, or it could be 48-inch, and then another elbow, short piece here, another elbow, and then I had to go around the vent. That's why I have it going up and out kind of like that, because the vent's in the way. So then I ran I think another 3-footer or 4-footer, I can't remember. This one's 3 foot 36 by 1/2 inch. And that just clears the vent. And then I put a clamp here so it doesn't vibrate, and another elbow here, and then I put my connector right on here, tested and made sure nothing's leaking with some soapy water, and yeah, all's good. That's how I hooked it up. Again, that's only maybe 6 feet away, but again, you don't want to use 2 of these, because then you lose pressure. Your BTUs will go way down, and your stove won't light correctly. Yeah, so you don't want to do that. So make sure you run a pipe if you run into the same problem that I have where it's too short. So I got that hooked up, and I changed the 3-prong to a 4-prong in the back as well. And yeah, it's pretty nice. It's more of a, commercial type oven, made for the homes, and it's got 4 burners on top. It's only 30 inches wide. It's not too big. It's almost the same size as the other stove we had, but it's a lot nicer and a lot more simple. Doesn't have all those fancy clocks and all that, but this is, Blanca likes to cook a lot, my wife, so this is something she needed. We got the ZLINE range hood that I still have to run the duct on that, and then we're going to do a backsplash in the coming days as well. But yeah, this thing is really nice. I'll turn on the stove real quick. So you got this dual burner. It's got the small and the big on the outside. Okay. And then you got a small one in the back, your simmer. Got a medium one over there, and then another big one in the front right here. And they give you this extra piece for like a wok or something. I believe this one's like 18,000 BTUs, the biggest one.